Hi guys, and in this video I wanna create scenes like this using Photogrammetry, using RealityScan and your Android phone. As you can see, the good quality of the scan and the Unreal Engine 5.7.4. Okay, let's go. And we use the Android phone in this tutorial because we haven't a leader like iPhone, iOS. We have to use the simple camera and the application right here from the games, RealityScan, and hit install. Let's install the application before we move to the phone. Okay, let's hit start. Yes. Okay, as you can see, the installation is finished. Now let's launch the RealityScan from here or from this icon right there. Okay, let's launch it. Yes. Now it's running, as you can see. Now, how to use this program? There is images or folder right here. Those for the iPhone. If you have RealityScan, you can use the iPhone. Okay. If you have some images, you can choose the folder right here, or you can choose the image directly. After that, hit start only. Okay, this is the basic use how to use this one. For this is the alignment, mesh and colors, texture, colorize your mesh. Use as you want. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use this image folder, and you have to create FBX or object and add it to the Unreal Engine 5.7.4 after exporting from this program. Okay. Before you go to this, let's go here. Let's move to the phone and capture some image. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can see, now I'm using my Android phone. To use this Photogrammetry, first of all, you have to open the camera and go here to this Pro mode and adjust some values. For the ISO, make it 100. For the shutter, make it around like this. For the focus, disable this auto and adjust some values. This one, okay, I think it's done. For the capture of the images, we have to capture around to 100 to 200 photos. After that, we scan it with 360 degrees around the objects. Let's scan all of those. 300 degrees. Okay, let's begin. Okay, as you can see, look at this. 300 degrees. Okay, fine. We have finished. Let's return to the PC right now. Okay, now let's go here to the phone. Okay, where is my phone? Okay, PC is fine. And go here to him. This is my camera. This is all of the photo that I captured. And let's see it. go here to view, details, and choose the date of the day. Okay, 25. Okay. Select all of them. There is 300 photo. And go right here and create new folder. Call B. After that, let's move those photo here. Okay, now let's close this and close the reality capture and reopen it another time. Where is my reality capture? Okay, now let's go here to workflow, alignment, images and mesh. Let's select images and go here and import all those images right there.
Dat gaat als een berichtje was maar verder voilà. Dat is van kibla zo ja in stukken zo lastig kan maar heel stuff. Ja,
Okay, now let's hit open. All my images is here in this place. Now, what I want to do, I want to go here and click this start button and hit start. Work is begin. It's create a virtual reality. Okay, as you can see, the work is finished. Okay, it's just on, so let's make it like this. And okay, this is my scan. Let's 1D. I want 3D. Okay, this is scanning of our, and this is our photos of the camera. Okay. What you see in the Unreal Engine is better than this. Okay, let's okay, as you can see, the photo now it's more clear. The scanning of the objects are real, as you can see. Look at this. It's scanned automatically. This is the 360 degrees. And this is the floor. This is scan of our reality. Okay. Now, let's export this one. How to export it? We have to go here. And to this, we have to go here to export and go here to model and point cloud. Export. You can choose as you want object file, FBX. For me, I want to choose this FBX file. So let's choose a folder. Okay, let's rename the folder Reality Capture. Reality Capture RC. Once saves this file, hit OK. Now it's exporting. Okay, the work is finished. Now let's close this and save it. Choose any folder to save our project files and rename what you want. Okay, after that, let's open the editor, Unreal Engine, and create new project. Select 30% as template and hit create. Okay, fine, the project is opened. Let's go here to file, create new level, set basic level, hit create. After creating this level, save current level as and hit save. Delete those errors. Now let's go right here. Make the Unreal Engine like this. Open my RC folder. And choose the FBX file. Okay. Now let's create a new folder here, Reality Capture. RC. or RealityScan as you want. Okay, and paste it here. Now, let's make it parameter as you can see and hit import. It's importing right now. Okay, let's open my RC folder and let's wait to the importing is was finished. Okay, as you can see, the files are saved. This static mesh and this is the material. Okay, let's add my file. This no part the scan. Okay, this looks realistic. Let's see our images and let's see what is the difference between those files. Okay, where is okay, as you can see, this is the same. Where is it looks good. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for